Good morning and welcome to another day. Right before we leave, I go to take a shower. I get all clean and fresh, which doesn't happen often when you're on the road. And the first thing I have to do after the shower is hook up the trailer, get all sweaty again, and then go to a dump station and feel unclean. So I got to figure out a different pattern for that because it's a little frustrating. And now I'm hot, buggy. Leaving the dump station now. Got to cross the Mackinac Bridge again and have about a 3.5 hour drive ahead of us today. Anything to add?
No.
If you forget to put your towing mirrors out, and I can't take credit for this, we actually saw it on another channel, but if you forget to slide your tow mirrors out, you can pull them back to you, and at least on a Ford, pull them out and push them back out. That way you don't have to reach 3 feet out into the street, and it works pretty well. Rolling Ragu coming to you live from
the Schoolcraft County Historic. Can you say that again? We're not doing this live.
Rolling Ragu coming to you live from.
We're not doing it live.
Rolling Ragu coming to you from
the Schoolcraft County Historical Park and Water Tower
in Manistee, Michigan. Look at this water tower, folks. It's amazing. When you use the term they don't build them like they used to, I would say this water tower qualifies.
It was 1922 is when that water tower was built.
We're in Jenny Putnam's home from the 1920-ish era. First thing that's unique is being able to walk through, and there's not an attendant or anyone. So that's kind of cool. Second thing is Miss Jenny Putnam's cat passed away in 1961, and its favorite spot was this rocking chair. And so this cat was stuffed and has now been in its favorite spot for 57 years. I made all that up. That's just a toy.
I need to buy some wine.
And I need to get that off my shoulders. Been weighing on us for 5,000 miles. We are at the Mackinac Trail Winery. What you got, Mom?
I've got
Michigan wine.
Mackinac Trail Winery, estate grown, petite pearl.
Very dry red.
Very good.
Remember a few episodes ago we were at the wine at some of the wineries in Traverse City, and so we're experts now.
Sure.
And we knew as soon as we tasted. Quick stop. We are at the Solshoy, something like that. Boy, I'm messing up all the words here in the UP. Solshoy Point Lighthouse from about the 1890s, and it is a beauty.
Welcome to the world famous mystery spot.
Yet another activity that we're not doing.
Yeah,
You having a good time not doing these activities?
great time.
It was $40 for all of us to go in to the mystery spot.
And
We don't even know what it is. Yeah.
to do everything else.
Do people really pull over on the side of the road and spend $48 on an activity they don't even know what it is?
Apparently, if it's still open.
Behind me, the Mackinac Bridge. We're about to cross back over into the mainland. We were just approached by a Michigan Public Works person. It's $3 a person to park at the rest stop and look at the bridge.
No.
You got $3? Don't look until you... Do you have $3?
No.
Then don't look.
Okay, we won't look.
Oh my goodness, Owen. That's a little fee joke for you folks. Tonight, if I get a chance, I can go on a little rant about this. $8 each way, folks. Yep, thank you. Using Gas Buddy, we figured that we could save about $10 on this tank if we can make it to this exit. And the computer on the truck is now down to 3 miles, and I got about a half mile to go to the exit. It's the furthest we've ever pushed it.
No.
The only reason I'm willing to is I do have a tank of gas in the bed of the truck for the generator, so we could rescue ourselves if we have to. We're down to 2 on the computer, and I'm betting Ford put a little leeway on that computer, but we're about to find out.
That's right.
A lot of traffic here.
Challenge course right in front of me.
I wasn't nervous, were you?
Nope.
1 mile left on the computer, and we sat and idled for a little while. I was hoping that I would have been able to find out how much fuel the truck took when it said 1 mile left. However, the pump cut me off at $100, so I got to 100 before I filled the tank. It put 34.5 into a 36-gallon tank. We're a few miles from Hartwick Pines State Park, about in the middle of the state, upper middle a little bit, and that's where we'll be for the next 2 days.
GPS.
Oh, look, there's Sasquatch. I see him. I saw Sasquatch. Come here, come look. He's right by the red truck. You see him?
Oh, I see him.
He's walking in the woods.
He's there.
He's right there. Y'all see him? Watch out! He's gonna get you.
Here's your key. Haven't felt the... Okay, don't know.
You actually know.
Hold on, stop.
Being stubborn. Hooks.
And I'll drive out. Okay. Watch your fingers. I'm. We just pulled up to our site at Hartwick Pines. We use the Allstays app to make our reservations and find campgrounds. And Allstays had a few reviews that were so-so about this park. And the site that we're on actually got some sort of negative reviews about it. So much so that we were a little afraid to come. They said there was a vault toilet behind,
There, that's a little
which
far
is
away.
far away and done attractively. It also said, what else did it say?
There was a water spigot.
Public water. They said the public water spigot was in front of the site. And, you know, I mean,
That's at most campgrounds.
yes, it's there, but it is at a lot of campgrounds. You're right, Ethan. And the campground is very attractive.
Yeah.
with lots of trees. So we're happy to be here. Sometimes just don't let negative reviews sway you until you actually see the site.
Yeah.